Hey, fourth graders. You are going to have another opportunity to learn more about how the land is shaped. I know you've been learning a lot about earthquakes and volcanoes, and this interactivity in our science program will get a little bit into that, but it will also link it with some of the things that we were learning about how water can also change the earth. First challenge is going to be to get logged in, and I know that's always the challenge. But Savvis is our Elevate program. They have it in here. It has a link just for De Pere, and you have to go to it from one of two places. You could click here, or you could go to our website under Students, and then you can click in right here. And then you would, I'm blocking, then you would get right to this username and password. And your username and password I put on here so that you could see. You have to use your username, and then you have to add that email. So your username at depere.k12.wi.us, and then your regular login. So you can click here, but make sure you are logged in before you click on this next spot. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll get myself logged in and make sure it says De Pere here. And if you've done it before, it's kind of sweet because that part pops up. And then your password, or is your regular login. Mine is a little bit different because that's how it always is for teachers, I guess. And then once you're logged in, you can go ahead and go back to this link. And then when you click on the link, which is hiding down here, it should go right into the assignment that you'll be working on. And now in this assignment, I'm going to put myself up here. Sometimes it can be a little bit easier if you go up here and you hit these green arrows and you make it so it shows big screen. And you can have this read to you just by clicking on it.
Map of the United
States. You can stop. And then you do need to do whatever it's asking you to do in each section before you're considered done. So after you do this, you click the drop down and you'll decide that. And then you navigate by going right down here to the bottom, and you'll read this next section. And I don't think there's anything to do on that section. You can go right here, and here you have to select the different spots here so that you can learn the different things about the plates. And then you're going to go into this section and the San Andreas Fault in California. You'll learn a little about that. And you'll go to the next spot, and this you have to click on these pieces. I won't do the whole thing for you. And then your final challenge is to do this and check your answers, and then you have to turn it in. Now it's going to say, hey, you didn't get this stuff done, so I would have to go back and do it. All right, so let's get out of here, and we'll go back over here. So that is what you will be doing for your assignment today, and all your work will be done right in this interactivity. There won't be any extra to write in the slideshow. All right, lots of learning to do.